First, you want to place the EcoHeat supports inside the dish. The first warmer, once you open it up, you want to place it in a vertical fashion. The next one, open, shake up, place horizontally. The third one, right next to it, overlaying just a little bit. The fourth one you open, you place it vertically. The last one, you open, shake, and place in between the first and the fourth. Cleaning up the ecosystem is very easy. You have two options. You can either dispose of the EcoHeat warmers directly in the trash can, or you can cut open the warmers and dump the contents of the warmer in your composting pile.